How to swap cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can swap cryptocurrencies using a Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to swap cryptocurrencies using Trust Wallet, simply open up the Trust Wallet app and make sure to simply log into your account. Then once you've done that, to swap a cryptocurrency, which means to convert from one to another, from the bottom you'll find a swap option. Simply go to swap. Now here you can select from Ethereum. Let's say from Ethereum you want to change to Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever else it is. You can select that and then you can hit the convert option, or you can select BNB or anything like that, but you need to make sure that you have got enough currency that you want to exchange. But basically from here you'll be able to exchange them, and this way you'll be able to swap cryptocurrencies on Trust Wallet or using the Trust Wallet app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.